The next generation of ECR is pretty much about the shoppers first. But when you talk about the shoppers, then you come necessarily back to the manufacturers, the retailers, and necessarily as well all the service providers and what we can call the upstream suppliers. And this is where packaging plays a big role, because they are providing services and products to the manufacturers and to the retailers as well. So there is very strong focus on the shopper side to say, well, packaging is too big, it's too heavy, there is too much packaging there. When I buy products, I don't want the packaging, I want the product. But still, packaging is very important. So there is most probably a need to think about how the next generation of packaging can help this next generation of shopper to be pleased with this and to be comfortable with the products that they would buy in any shop or online. I think in terms of next generation of packaging, not only next generation of ECR, but next generation of packaging, packaging suppliers can definitely be very proactive. They are already proactive, proposing new solutions, proposing new materials, to be proactive and propose alternative solutions, propose alternative ways of manufacturing, ways of using corrugated carton in order again to be more sustainable, to be more cost efficient and to answer the consumer needs at large.
If you're going to be designing packaging with your customers in order to protect product and in order to have information on the packaging that helps people handle and to progress that product through the supply chain, then you have to work with the downstream trading partners to get very close to what the functional requirements will need to be. So collaborating on the design of the packaging in concert with the design of the product and in concert with the supply chain that combination has then got to function through, absolutely essential.
Collaboration is really key to unlocking the next level of benefits. And I'd also include packaging vendors in that. Often we don't know what the solutions to the problem is, and I think a lot of the time the packaging vendors can really help by joining in that collaboration initiative to help us understand what the options that we can play with are. There's a lot of expertise and knowledge within the vendor base, and I'm not sure always that gets brought to the table. As I said, when we've done a lot of what we call waste walkthroughs, walking the end-to-end supply chain, we often see things in reality, in real life, that the packaging was never designed for, and therefore having people with that expertise with us through those waste walkthroughs could be invaluable.
So one of the key things is that whenever you are collaborating between retailers and manufacturers, and I would say also upstream suppliers and service providers at large, it creates value, and this value is beneficial for all actors in the chain.